guys and girls, in this video we're gonna take a look at the best exercise trampolines. I have made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the exercise trampolines in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to join our community Telegram channel linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best exercise trampolines on the market right now. Coming at number 10, we've got the BCAN Foldable Mini Trampoline. The rubberized surface of this trampoline, which provides a lot of traction and keeps you secure when you jump, is one of the reasons why we selected it as one of the best. There is a ring of sturdy steel springs that surrounds the trampoline surface. By providing you with a soft, silent, and dependable bounce, these springs secure everything in place. No need to worry about toe stubs, foot slides, or steps out of bounds because BCAN has covered the springs with a ring of padding for additional comfort and safety. This miniature trampoline's 40 inches circumference makes it ideal for tight locations. Additionally, it folds up for simple storage or transportation in between workouts. Number 9. Marcy Trampoline Cardio Trainer. The Marcy Trampoline Cardio Trainer offers everything you'd want in a rebounder. It is lightweight, strong, and portable. Even better, it's reasonably priced. Both assembling and disassembling the trampoline are relatively simple. The handlebar and legs of the rebounder may be taken off between uses, and the trampoline can then be folded up to a small portion of its original size. The rebounder has a diameter of 40.5 inches when fully completed. It measures 30 inches long by 16 inches wide when folded. Because of its adaptability, it is simple to stow and equally practical to carry anywhere. The bar isn't adjustable, which may be a downside for those craving a more customized experience. But if all you're looking for is a little added support as you knock out your workout, it should do the job. Coming at number 8, Wamkos Rebounder Mini Exercise Trampoline. 2 resistance bands are included with the Wamkos Rebounder Mini Exercise Trampoline to add variety and difficulty to your trampoline workouts. Jump while holding onto the bands to equally work your upper and lower bodies, or make use of the rebounder's built-in adaptability and use it for activities other than jumping, including squats and crunches. Beginners will appreciate that the resistance bands are simply removed if you want to keep things straightforward. Heavy-duty polypropylene, a plastic polymer, was used to make the surface of the trampoline, and it promises to hold you while you jump. Strong, rust-proof springs are encased in a thick layer of cushioning for comfort and safety, giving the rebounder its bounce. Coming at number 7, Stamina Intone Plus Rebounder Trampoline. Many trampolines are designed to be used indoors. However, the Stamina Intone Plus Rebounder can be used indoors or outdoors. You can easily transport it between the two settings because it folds up to be exceedingly small and portable. Heavy-duty polypropylene, a plastic polymer with good durability, was used to make the trampoline surface. An assortment of tension bands are positioned all around that surface, giving the trampoline its bounce. These tension bands include a safety pad covering them for your comfort and safety, protecting your feet and toes in case you go outside of your bounds. This rebounder has these traditional features in addition to a few others that you might not find on every tiny trampoline. 2 detachable resistance bands that come with the rebounder can be used to vary your workouts. Plus, it has a built-in fitness tracker that will make it easier for you to monitor your progress. Number 6. KOKSRY 40 Mini Trampoline. Do you enjoy taking studio-based trampoline classes? If so, this choice allows you to have the same fun at home. It has 6 anti-slip legs, 30 bungee cords, and can sustain 330 pounds. It is also portable and simple to store by simply taking off the legs and tucking it under your bed. This small trampoline offers a nice, smooth bounce and a decent-sized jumping area. It feels very sturdy compared to the other mini trampolines you may have come across. Coming in at number 5, MXL MaXimus Life Mini Trampoline. The MaXimus Pro Home Gym Rebounder isn't just a mini trampoline, it's a full-body workout experience. The Rebounder comes with a removable handlebar, which you can easily attach anytime you want added support. It also comes with 2 removable resistance bands that you can attach to the springs to tackle an array of creative exercises. And if you're not sure where to start with all these special features, don't worry, the trampoline also ships with 2 workout videos, which will help you get started with all your new equipment. Even without the added features, this Rebounder option would still be a solid buy. It's made up of heavy-duty steel springs, which promise a bounce that's consistent, gentle, and resilient. The Rebounder also stands on 6 steel legs designed to offer plenty of support and stability. While the trampoline itself isn't foldable, the legs do fold up, making it easy to slide under furniture between workouts. Coming at number 4, ANCHEER Foldable Trampoline. Most Rebounders are small and circular. They give you just enough room to work out without asking you to sacrifice more than a corner's worth of space in your home. But if you're not short on space, and if you'd prefer a little more room to move around, an oval-shaped trampoline like this one from ANCHEER may be a better pick for you. While many circular trampolines offer 8.7 square feet of bouncing room, the ANCHEER Foldable Trampoline offers 10.99 square feet. That may not seem like a huge difference, but spend a few minutes jumping on it and you'll feel the added space. Since the Rebounder is foldable, you won't have to worry about accommodating its larger size 24/7. The trampoline can accommodate up to 220 pounds at a time, and its rubber-tipped legs promise to protect your floors while keeping the Rebounder stable. Number 3, DARCHEN Rebounder Mini Trampoline. The DARCHEN Tiny Trampoline is a reliable rebounder that can support up to 450 pounds at once, which is about twice as much weight as most mini trampolines can support. The heavy-duty steel used to construct the Rebounder's structure ensures that you will always feel stable and supported while jumping. A ring of incredibly strong bungee cords that are squeezed just firmly enough to offer you a flexible, low-impact workout gives this pick its bounds. As opposed to more powerful springs, these bungee cords tend to offer a gentler experience than more heavy-duty springs, so you can expect to feel supported and relatively comfortable while you work out. Coming at number 2, JumpSport the Fitness Trampoline. The sturdy trampoline known as the JumpSport 250 in-home cardio fitness rebounder is made to survive repeated workouts. The arched legs of the trampoline were designed for stability, so you won't have to worry about it toppling over or buckling beneath you as you jump. The surface of the trampoline is surrounded by elastic cables that should hold up over time. Additionally, if you unintentionally go outside of the trampoline's boundaries, the padded edges will prevent your toes from being stubbed. But in addition to being tough, the Rebounder is also made to be comfortable. Unlike many trampolines, which are constructed of strong springs, this one bounces thanks to a network of elastic strings. These assure you of a softer, smoother, quieter experience, one that lessens the pressure on your body following each leap. Don't worry if you're unsure how to work your new trampoline into your fitness routine. The Rebounder comes with free access to a 60-day training program that is packed with trampoline workout suggestions. Number 1, Bellicon Classic 49 Trampoline. Created more than 20 years ago and supported by the American Chiropractic Association, the Bellicon trampoline stands out on the market. Its frame is several inches taller than that of competing brands and has a bungee construction, making it as well engineered as it is aesthetically beautiful. This enables a deeper, softer bounce that is comparable to that of kids' full-size outdoor trampolines. Even though it's an expensive investment, it doesn't sacrifice variety by providing a stable surface for ab activities like crunches. Additionally, it can serve as a platform for a standing desk. This Rebounder offers a gentle workout for days that provide some simultaneous stretching when you're taking a break from strength training but still want to stay active. The Bellicon is also distinguished by its flexibility to be customized, making it possible to complement the design of your home or offer a unique workout environment. Diameter, mat type, leg type, mat and bungee color, and bungee strength are all options. If minimal equipment noise is a priority, you'll be pleased to know that it's relatively quiet, so your roommates or neighbors neighbors can stay unbothered. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best exercise trampolines. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.